Hi, I'm Katie Mattingly, and I plan on majoring in astrophysics next fall. My dream of becoming an astrophysicist started my freshman year when I would waste time in class to look up NASA's picture of the day. Very quickly, I fell in love with the night sky and everything in it. But eventually, the pictures weren't enough, so I began to look up, the distance between each of the planets in our solar system and how big the planets actually are. Did you know that the distance between the moon and Earth is so large that you could fit all of our planets in between that distance? It blows my mind. And did you also know that Jupiter's so large it could fit 1,300 Earths inside? Sometimes I have to just stop and think that, how tiny the Earth is compared to other celestial bodies, but at the same time, how large it is. And and where we are in the universe. Also, the universe contains many celestial bodies, and most of them are unknown. So, one of those unknown ones would be the black hole. The black hole, we know, how it forms and the structure of it, but where does that matter go? According to the law of conservation of mass, matter can be destroyed nor created. So, to figure out where that matter is going, there's no way to really do it. You would have to make up a new math. Now, scientists have a hard time trying to figure out where that matter is going because if you try to send a satellite, first of all, sending a satellite to the nearest black hole will take quite some time because the nearest black hole is some 1,000 light years away. Also, say it got to one, the pressure of the black hole, trying to suck in the satellite, is so immense that it would just get destroyed. And also, the heat, due to friction, would destroy any equipment on the satellite. So, in order to figure out where this matter is going, it would take a new form of math. And that math would only be based off of the idea that the universe is made solely out of dark matter, dark energy, and regular matter. The difference between those is, well, we don't really know. And that's the fun part about becoming an astrophysicist, is that we get to find out these new things, and there's always so much to learn. We know what regular matter is. That's the things you touch, the carbon atoms in the universe, the things you see. But we know about dark energy by not what it is. We know that it's not regular matter and regular energy. So that's just kind of what scientists base it off of. Becoming an astrophysicist would mean more than anything in my life, because there's just so much to learn to continue off of, just expanding, and there's so much out there that we don't know. It took 40 years for Voyager 2 to get out past Pluto. Of course, taking some trips now and then around the planets, but 40 years just to find out what's out there. It could go on forever, and that's just something that I love about studying space and astronomy. So that's what I plan to do, and thank you for your consideration.